Good morning, everybody. What is up? What's going on today? Today is what, the 7th? Got it right, 7th of, it's Saturday. It's 8 o'clock right now. Eating breakfast. Just got up. I don't really know what's going on for the day, but you'll find out. It's official. Manchester United just signed Paul Pogba. We're gonna kill this season with Zlatan and Pogba. Someone got his band-aid off. I know you're sniffing the screen. Someone got his band-aid off. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Alright, so now we're at the signs of state stuff. Somewhere this way. I got one of those. That one there. That one there is me. Man, Hot Wheels making Tesla like cool. I'm kidding. Tesla's super cool already. Alright, we're now gonna get a car wash, but I got my breakfast, not breakfast, it's already past breakfast, my Milk of Champions strawberry. That's a hawk. It's locked. Wanna go outside? No, it's not as interesting as I thought. Alright, now I'm gonna watch Inside Out. I'm fixing Mother's laptop. This is what the inside of your computer looks like. Made pizza. Homemade DiGiorno's. Alright, just finished Inside Out. I give the movie like, what, an 8 out of 10? What do you give it? What do you give it, the movie?
10.
I moved my rating to 9. Alright, currently we're out back redoing a thing in front of Mom's flower garden. I'll show you the after. I can't show you the before because we're kind of in the middle and I was stupid and didn't put the before. But here it is, after this time lapse, of course. Alright, so here's the after of it. Before, it was just a bunch of bricks, not very neatly aligned, and now it's extremely, well, it's not in a straight line, but you know what, sometimes you don't need to be straight. Alright, loading the trailer up now. We're gonna get the canoe out of the barn and go canoe. Okay, it's now on here. Alright, got my safety vest, got the canoe on there. Gonna head out now. Alright, we're on the lake now. You can see around me. There's a heron over there. Oh, flying fish. You see that?
Yeah, see the fish flying down?
There's a flying fish. I don't have it on video though. Okay, the video doesn't do it justice. We're incredibly close. It's about to fly. Yeah. Alright, so we switched out Mom for Dad. Is that a gang sign, Dad?
Yeah.
So now we're just still out on the water.
I'm a bang ganger.
Alright, so we have the canoe back home now. Now we're going to take the treadmill, the new one, upstairs. This is not going to be fun because it's heavy. Alright, here's all the parts to the, what is this? A treadmill.
Treadmill. Do not throw away. No!
Alright, so we haven't really gotten far in the past 30 minutes, but it's now time to eat dinner. Okay, for dinner tonight we're having steak, potatoes, corn, A1, milk, and sprayable butter. We're not having that cat. That cat is not edible.
Blah, blah.
Okay. Why is it my screen? Okay. What? What? Oh yeah. We're back upstairs to work on the treadmill. Hopefully we can get it done tonight, or most of it. Because this thing is massive. That's Bo. That though, massive compared to the other one. Alright, so we didn't finish the, what is that called? Treadmill, because there's just problems with it. I'm really tired. I have to edit the video still. It's 9:30. I need to go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to stay strong, fight your passion.